Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dll dynamic link library and an Unarc.dynamic link library error. So this error in Windows 10 or Windows 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC ROM as well as hard drive while installation. If your PC ROM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So in order to fix it, you can try to run a Windows key and R key button, and you can open ISDone.dll. Here you can type this. In order to open system properties, click advanced, click performance settings, and again you can click advanced and click change. Untick the box. Here you can click custom size, fill this blank, initial size and maximum size. So for the minimum, most cases is 400 and maximum 3000. For most games, 2.5 GB is enough. Note that values are in megabytes, so this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.